and I'm a reference librarian here at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Now summer is coming up, and so are summer potlucks and picnics, and so if you want something that is delicious but also doesn't have too many ingredients and is quick to make, well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dill pickle dip. So dill pickle dip is one of those recipes that you simply have to try. It comes together easily and in less than 5 minutes and entices you to have a little more and then a little more. So to make this, we only need a handful of ingredients. We need an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese that's been softened. We need pickle juice from a dill pickle jar, as well as about 2 spears of chopped pickle. And then we also want some fresh dill, and I pulled this right from my garden. So to start, we are going to mix our cream cheese until it is soft and creamy. And if you have a mixer, a hand mixer, it might be a little easier, but I don't. All right, next we're going to add our pickle juice from the jar. I'm going to do about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and we're going to do it 1 tablespoon at a time. And just remember that, the dip is going to be thicker once you refrigerate it. Actually, let's go ahead and add our second right away. And we'll just kind of keep adding the pickle juice until we reach the consistency that we're looking for. So for the full brick of cream cheese, like I said, it's going to be about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth. And maybe a half. All right. Next, we're going to stir in our chopped pickle. You want anywhere between 2 tablespoons and like 1/3 of a cup. And for me, I just did 2 spears. I guess it depends on how pickly you want it. But again, this is a pickle dip, so it's going to be pickly. And then when it comes to the fresh dill, we're going to want about 2 teaspoons worth. So there we have it. Now all we need to do is refrigerate for about 30 minutes before serving. It is excellent served with crackers or even some fresh vegetables. This recipe makes about 1 cup of dip. So like I said, serve it with veggies, crackers, chips, or even a soft pretzel. And it's great for all of the pickle lovers out there. Thanks for joining me for Library Kitchen.